Hi friends, today I will talk to you about the different types of compressors that I own, as well as the different type of airbrushes that I own, along with the different types of airbrush, tattoo, and makeup that I use. First of all, I will start with the compressors. I have this compressor, and I use this one for my airbrush tattoos. I also have this one. This one's called Iowata Silverjet. And then I also have these smaller compressors. And I use these for applying regular everyday makeup. This right here holds the airbrushes in place. And then this right here is the different types of airbrushes that I own. I use these for temporary tattoos or for applying face paint that is water-based. This one right here is the airbrush face and body paint, and this washes off immediately and is all FDA approved. And this one looks similar, but this one is specially for temporary tattoos, and these last about 5 days. These are the ingredients. They're all FDA approved. You remove this with soap and water. There is also this other type. There are different types of brands out there. This Endura brand. It's also made out of alcohol. Okay, now I have this type of airbrush too. This one's the cheaper kind. You load the paint in here. And then there are this type of airbrushes too, where you can load your colors on top. I like these. But this kind right here, this is easy for me to load and unload for when I'm doing the tattoos on the kids. Make sure you always have alcohol and spray the airbrush out with alcohol every time you are done with a gig so that they don't get clogged. And please make sure to check me out on Facebook or on the web. And there you have it. Different types of compressors that you may use. Airbrushes and paints. What I like about these is that you can get a bunch of them off of Amazon and just have them handy. Load them up with paint and you're ready to go. I like this kit right here because it comes in a container that you just close it and you can take it with you. About brushing and